Hi, today's tutorial is going to be the continuation of our last tutorial, which was how to draft a kaftan with a design. Okay, so we drafted the kaftan in my previous video. Today I'll be showing you how to sew it. Okay, so I've done some sewing on the kaftan. Look at what I was telling you. This is the design on the shoulder line. Okay, this was the 8 inches shoulder that we measured and the extra 5 inches. Okay, so I just sewed the extra 5, it is 2.5 on this side and 2.5 on this side, from beginning of the kaftan to the other end. All right, from beginning of the kaftan, look at it, to the other end. Okay, so I just held down the 2.5 inches, okay, to make it 5 inches. Okay, so I did the same thing on this side. All right, I sewed the 2.5 on both sides. All right, from beginning of the kaftan, from the beginning to the end of the kaftan. All right, that was what I did. Okay, so for the facing, I made the facing right side, wrong side facing each other, and I sewed the facing to the kaftan. All right, so you can use hemming gun. That is why I brought this hemming gun. All you have to do is just put your hemming gun under the facing and iron it and give it a good press. Okay, so when you do that, the facing will not be coming out from the neckline when the client is wearing it. All right, so I'm going to do that after the tutorial. Okay, that's why I brought the hemming gun. This is called a hemming gun. All right, so after that I'll give it a good press. Okay, so let's continue. Now this is the pocket. I have made the pockets too. Look at what I did. I placed the pocket right side facing each other. Okay, and I sew it on the wrong side. Look at what I did. Right side, right side, right side facing each other. Okay, and I stitched it together. I did one for the front, one for the back. Remember that we cut 4 pockets: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so right side facing each other. I placed it like this, and I made a stitch there. I placed this one like this. I made a stitch there. I placed this one here. I made a stitch. And placed this one. I made a stitch. All right. So we have 4 pockets. All right. So now for the sleeve. All right. Instead of hemming the sleeve, I added this white for design just to make it fine, look more beautiful. Okay. So I added the white band to the sleeve. All right, so what I am going to do now, the only thing remaining for me to do, I am going to sew from the sleeve down to the pocket this way, then down to the hem of the gown. Okay, let me explain to you. All right, let me show you what I was going to do. I'm going to do that on the wrong side. Okay, I'm going to take, remember we added 2 inches allowance, so 1 inch is for ease because the gown is a free gown. It's not supposed to be fitted. And the other 1 inch is for the sewing allowance. So I'm going to take 1 inch sewing allowance right from the sleeve, okay, to the pocket this way. Please don't go this way. If you go this way, you stitch down the pocket. All right, so from the sleeve, take it down to the pocket. Make sure the 2 pockets are facing each other. I'll show you when I've done it. Okay, I will go and do it and show you. Okay, so I'll take it right from the sleeve to the pocket, round, right to the hem of the gown. Okay, on the wrong side, not on the right side, please. I will do it and show you. Okay, right from the sleeve to the pocket, down. I will do the same thing on this side too. Okay, down. Then I will hem the bottom of the gown. Okay, so after that I will hem the bottom of the gown and the gown will be ready. Okay, so let me show you what to do for those of us that are beginners. All right, for those of us that are beginners, let me show you what I am talking about. So when you want to sew, you turn the gown this way. Okay, turn the gown, the kaftan this way. All right, I was explaining to you. Turn the kaftan this way. Okay, the pockets facing each other. All right, so turn the kaftan this way, the pockets facing each other. All right, and so making sure everything is equal. All right, so I will take the kaftan now to the sewing machine and use 1 inch sewing allowance from the sleeves. I will take it down to the pocket here. I'll take it down, look at it, 1 inch from here down to this place, then go around the pocket, all right, then down to the hem of the dress. All right, then after that I will fold or hem the bottom with the 1 inch allowance that we left, and that will be all, and the dress will be ready. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to how to iron the hemming gum. All right, so I just pins this place so it will not be moving up. But what you do, you just cut a little, all right, place it under, all right, then you give it a good press. All right, place it under and you give it a good press, and that will be all. Okay, so let me join the sides, then hem the bottom and come and show you. I'll be back. Okay, this is the finished look of the dress. Okay, I used 1 inch to sew it from the sleeve down to the hemline, okay, through the pocket like I told you. The same thing, I did the same thing on this side to the hemline. Then I hemmed the bottom with 1 inch. Now we left 1 inch allowance. Okay, so this is the hemming gum I was telling you about. I've used it to hem the facing. Okay, so the facing cannot be coming out from the neckline anymore. All right, so this is the finished look of the dress. This is the shoulder design I was telling you about. So I've given it a good press and it's now looking beautiful. So this is our kaftan. All right, it's a free dress, it's not a fitted dress. Okay, so this is the finished look of the kaftan. All right, now I've come to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Till I see you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye.